Are you also capturing your leads from LinkedIn and you want to track these leads without lifting any finger or without constantly keeping the check and adding these details manually to your Google Sheet spreadsheet or any other CRM? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and store the details of the lead which you are capturing from LinkedIn to your Google Sheet spreadsheet. I have created this automation in just few minutes and I'm going to demonstrate in front of you how you can do this for your business. As you will receive the lead from LinkedIn automatically, the lead details will be added to your spreadsheet. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can also create this setup for your business, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the LinkedIn leads to your Google Sheet spreadsheet for the easy analysis in just few minutes. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. And this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. I'm going to create a new workflow, for which I'm going to click on this create from scratch, and I'm going to name this workflow as track and store LinkedIn leads in Google Sheets automatically. And now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Now, trigger here is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new lead from LinkedIn, the lead details are automatically added to Google Sheet spreadsheet, which means whenever there is a new lead from LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. Here in my trigger event, I am going to select lead notifications and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. Here we need to enter the LinkedIn credentials, after which we have to click on this sign in. You will see LinkedIn will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to select the sponsored account. To get the sponsored account, I'm going to open my LinkedIn. Over here you can see that I'm working on this Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to open the campaign which I have created, which is in draft mode, and I will be submitting a form in that lead generation form. I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to apply now. Here this page has opened in front of me. You can see I have received the first name, last name and the company name automatically, because this is a draft campaign, and when you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all the details. Now here I'm going to enter the email address as oldlead@pabblyhuge.com, and then I'm going to enter the phone number here. I'm going to click on this submit, and here as soon as the form submission is done, I should be able to capture this response in my workflow. Let me open my workflow here. Here just 7 seconds ago, I have received the response. Over here you can see the email address is oldlead@pabblyhuge.com. This is the phone number. The name is Pabbly, the last name is this dot, and the company name is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Here as soon as I have created or generated a lead or done the form submission, I have captured that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step. Whenever there is a new form submission, I want to add that to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. I am going to select my action application as Google Sheets, and in my action event, I'm going to select add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after choosing your account, you have to grant away the permission by clicking on this allow. You will see Google Sheets will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to first select the spreadsheet. To get the spreadsheet, over here I have created a spreadsheet by the name LinkedIn Lead Details. So I am going to select the same spreadsheet. You will see as soon as I select the spreadsheet, all the fields which I have in this particular spreadsheet will start showing here in this workflow. So we can see all the fields which we have over here are here. Now I need to enter these details, but over here I'm not going to enter these details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map these details. So over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now how to enter this? I'm going to enter / go towards this LinkedIn, and then I'm going to enter the first name as Pabbly. I'm going to go towards the last name as this. I'm going to enter my email address as olead@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter my phone number here as this, and then I'm going to enter my company as this, Magnet Brains. After entering all these details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here it is, we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my spreadsheet and check whether all the details are added there or not. And here it is, we have added all the details. The first name was Pabbly, last name was this dot, email address was olead@pabblytudes.com, and then we have received the phone number. This is the phone number, and this is the company name, Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Now to summarize, we took LinkedIn as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we want to add that to my Google Sheets. With the Google Sheets as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally added the details. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.